Hello everyone and welcome to STENO 24/7. Today I am reading Dictation on Wall Sockets. It's 290 words and this will be at 60 words per minute. Before my voice gives out, let's write. When electric lights were first installed some 20 years ago, the light was turned on and off by a simple key adjusted in the lamp socket. This idea still prevails in many sockets, although the mechanism has been improved. Key sockets are all right in every way, but they are far from being the most convenient. Where key sockets are installed, it is necessary to group around in the dark for the lamp before the light can be turned on. To obviate this nuisance, the wall switch was brought out. By the aid of small switches, it is possible to turn on the lights before entering the room. The switch is located beside the door, and the lamp can be placed on either the ceiling or the side wall, or in any desired spot, irrespective of the switch which controls it. The wall switch is a very simple device designed to make and break the circuit. It consists of a loop of wire running up to the lamp circuit, wherever that may be, and it is operated by a small key. The current must flow through the switch before it can reach the lamp. The current at the lamp socket is turned on continuously so that when the key is turned at the switches, the connection is made and the lamp lights. Another half turn of the key breaks the circuit and turns out the lamp. These wall switches can be located where most convenient to the occupants of the house. Electric lights in the house would not be nearly as convenient without them. With suitable switches, the entire house can be lighted from the front hall of any floor at any time the rooms are to be illuminated. Thank you everyone for coming and watching the videos, and I hope it picks up a little bit more. So if you have any friends or anybody else that these videos, please let them know. Please have them subscribe. And for my new subscribers, I thank you all for coming, for subscribing. And my old subscribers, I thank you as well. It is so appreciated. So I'm also going to be completing this round here. I'm going to be doing this at 70 words per minute. And I hope to see you at the next video. And happy writing, everyone.